Have you ever wondered how to get that stubborn plastic up off the back of your iron-on once you iron it onto your clothing? Well, today I'm going to show you how. So, enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Samantha, and thanks for stopping by our channel where inspiration for creativity starts. Please feel free to like or comment on this video. And if you want to stay up to date on all our new videos, hit the subscribe button.
To peel off the plastic, we're going to slowly peel it off at an angle. And if it gets stuck, you go the other way. And since this is an S, you kind of want to go with the curves. And there we go. And now you have your iron-on on your shirt or your jacket or whatever you want it on. And it wasn't that hard.